Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. This is where the bond is won or lost. Clean both pieces with isopropyl or acetone, then roughen the contact area with 400-600 grit sandpaper so the glue can grab. Choose a 2-part epoxy for durable jewelry bonds or a jeweler's cyanocrylate for small, fast repairs. Read the cure time. Once done, mix epoxy precisely, spread a thin, even layer, and position the parts because clamping will be next. Now you control alignment and pressure. Apply adhesive sparingly to avoid excess squeeze-out that will harden and require cleanup. The thin joint is often stronger than a thick glob. Once placed, use padded clamps, rubber bands, or non-stick thermal tape to maintain perfect alignment without marring the finish. Keep the piece at stable room temperature and make sure to maintain constant pressure during the adhesive's initial set. Movement weakens the joint, so be patient. Finish carefully and verify strength. Allow the adhesive to reach full cure. Epoxy often needs 24 to 72 hours. Heat curing systems follow manufacturer temp and time. Once cured, remove squeeze-out with a microfile or appropriate solvent, then polish using fine abrasives and a jeweler's polishing compound to blend the joint. If the bond fails, troubleshoot. Check surface prep. Try a stronger 2-part epoxy or consider
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.